Three animals with the strongest bites. 1. Saltwater crocodile. Bite force up to 3,700 psi. Fact: this crocodile is the largest predator in the world and can easily crush the bones of its prey. 2. Killer whale, orca. Bite force estimated at 19,000 psi. Unofficially based on computer simulations. 3. Fact: although rarely biting humans, orcas have incredible strength that can tear seals or large sharks. 3. African lion. Bite force around 650 psi. Fact: although not as strong as a crocodile bite, lions are still deadly in gripping and immobilizing their prey.